Far off in another forgotten space in California, there lies a long dirt road. This was another stop in the Anza Borrego Desert. This landscape changes quite a bit during the year when there are heavy rains. By driving through, you would never know there were caves and trails off to the sides of the roads. Surprise, surprise! The last visit of the day was unexpected. Ran into a lady that said something about the mud caves in Anza Borrego. So they were caves, and they went for a while. So we decided to check them out, and here we are. This is the parking area. We were off-road for quite a bit, and then we're gonna go over into the caves.
Maybe it's because I taught her how to sniff out certain rocks.
Upon going into the mud caves, you can feel a cool breeze coming through. It is a relief from the warm desert sun. These are not man-made caves or tunnels. These have been hewn through the mud with water and wind. I never would have believed it if I had not seen it with my own eyes. The site was enormous and had such a great tunnel for going through. Headlamps and flashlights are needed to see. If any of you are able to find these mud caves, be sure to have extra batteries and water. Long clothing would be wise because you are going through some spaces that are tight and will scrape you up. Maybe it was, he said right in the middle of Anza Borrego Desert. We're inside of a mud cave. And so cool. There's the hole, and the tunnel just keeps on going straight in front of us. Holy cow! The cavity's got to be like 15 feet tall in here. I could... Throughout the tunnel, there will be openings to go up and out onto. Be wary climbing out onto the surface above the mud caves. You never know when there will be a weak spot. You will go falling into a 20-foot pit. Look, we came from over there, and this is the way we're supposed to. So this is the way. Look at all the footprints. So we must follow the lead. There will be other hikers, so don't freak out when you see one or a couple coming through the tunnel or around a bend you can't see. Throughout the path, there are spots where it opens up into a canyon, and you will follow it through the trail until you hit more tunnels. Every site is different, but still the same looking. There are cracks and more smaller tunnels for exploring all along the way. Going through some of the tunnels requires lots of getting close to the ground, so if you are not a fan of small spaces, stay away from these caves. People think I'm gonna fit through this. Absolutely kidding me. a cave I was unexpected to find. I might have to come back to explore this because I had no idea that this was here. Not prepared for spelunking. It's really cool in here. But the space is just so small, I'm gonna have to be crawling most of the way. So definitely be coming back to explore this another time. Coming. I am coming back. This is something to come back and explore another day. That thing goes again. I will come back to that cave to explore it. I wanted to go in there. Made it back to the cave. Air conditioning, here we come. It actually is. This camera doesn't do it justice. You have to get some of this. This one was one heck of an adventure for sure, and worth coming back to. As we always say, plan ahead and make sure the weather is alright for hiking, and there are no rains to create flash flooding inside the mud caves. A good plan makes for a great day.